everyone. Today's topic is titled Study with Me Live Pomodoro 12 Hours Neuroscience Analysis. Study with Me Live Pomodoro 12 Hours Neuroscience Analysis. This topic is going to be life changing. It's going to be cognitively and intellectually transformational for every individual that watches it. I've done my research. I've done a kind of both local and international research. I've watched videos, for produced, by the leading, individuals in this field. I've read tons, of books, and it is based, on this informal research that I've decided to share ideas, to share facts that I discovered in the process of investigating what Pomodoro a technique is all about. And by extension, I'm not going to really repeat what others have talked about. What I intend doing in this video is to look at the Pomodoro technique from the neuroscience perspective. But before I go into explaining what the Pomodoro technique is all about and its connection with or to neuroscience, I would like to say thank you so much for tuning in to this station. My name is Muiwa Adidayo. I am an educational neuroscientist. I am a lecturer. I am also an author because I've authored about 6 books. So what is Pomodoro technique? The word Pomodoro is connected to tomato in Italy, and the Pomodoro technique was invented by an individual. His name is Francisco Cirillo. He was a top management expert. He came up with this idea, and today this Pomodoro technique has been integrated into the education sector, and studies upon studies keep revealing its effectiveness. That the Pomodoro technique is one of the most powerful technique for improving performance that most toppers both internationally use the Pomodoro technique. Then secondly, the point I just want to really add to the Pomodoro discourse has to do with the fact that what is the secret? What are those factors responsible for the effectiveness of the Pomodoro technique? Very simple. As an educational neuroscientist, I discovered that dopamine plays a fundamental role in the effectiveness of the Pomodoro technique. And what is dopamine? Dopamine is the neurochemical of happiness, is a neurotransmitter of pleasure or of reward. Whenever we do things that make us feel euphoric, anything that inspires that fills us with joy, it is because in our nervous system, especially in the brain, especially in the brain's reward system, and the reward system comprises of various regions, like the ventral tegmental area is part of the brain's reward system, the striatum, the nucleus accumbens, the prefrontal cortex, etc. So, and in the brain, we have what is called dopamine neurons. These dopamine neurons are the ones responsible for the release of dopamine. And how does this connect to the Pomodoro technique? We have various models of Pomodoro technique. One of them has to do with that you read for like 25 minutes and take a break for 5 minutes. The other one has to do with reading for 45 minutes and taking a break of 10 minutes. And what you do during this break session matters a lot. And it is this break session that is connected to what I want to add to this Pomodoro technique discourse or theory. Yes, after reading for 25 minutes, that 5 minutes, there are things that you need to do in order to consolidate to consolidate the knowledge and the data and the information that you've gathered during your reading session. Some individuals, what they do is that they take a walk. Some others try to just sit on the couch and start daydreaming or fantasizing or imagining. Some would like to take a walk, but what I do, that I know that it is effective and that if you put it into practice, it will tremendously increase your cognitive abilities. One of them is I take water. I do what is called intellectual hydration. Okay, the brain, okay, contains about that the brain, okay, contains huge amount of water. About, in fact, the neuroscientists and other brain researchers, okay, uh, hypothesize that the brain contains about 70% of water, like the cerebral fluid, okay, that is in our brain, okay, has huge amounts of fat, okay, and water too. So that is one of the reasons why I take water, in order to do what, to re-energize, okay, my concept neurons. So the concept neurons are those neurons that are dedicated, okay, to learning, to studying, okay, and to memory consolidation. So after doing maybe the 25 minutes, okay, of intensive study, I make sure that I do, is either I do into water hydration, or I, I eat, okay, biscuit, or I take coffee. Then I try to relax. Then after the 5 minutes or the 10 minutes, okay, I go back, okay, to intensive study. But do not forget, whenever you take water, or whenever you eat something, okay, that makes you, okay, happy, okay, at that moment, the reason is this: dopamine is released, okay, when you either take chocolate, okay, you take, okay, some amount, okay, of tea, or of coffee, or you decide to actually to take a soft drink. You discover that, okay, you feel somehow relieved, that the tension, okay, that is in your anatomy, just because of reading, is a kind of a cortisol inducing exercise. It is so dry, it's so uninteresting, because it requires you to sit down, okay, and there's a kind of restriction, okay, of movement. Either we like it or not, it is kind of, it is a stressful exercise. So when you take that dopamine break, and you decide to do what, okay, to do things, okay, that are enjoyable, okay, dopamine is released in your system, and this dopamine will help you, okay, in transforming or transferring, okay, the long term, okay, information of those things, okay, that you've learned, okay, from the short term memory into the long term memory. Apart from the fact that dopamine is a molecule of more, it's a molecule of drive, okay, it is a molecule of seeking, okay, of pleasure, okay, it also plays a role, a very critical role, okay, in memory consolidation. So the science, okay, behind the effectiveness of Pomodoro technique has to do with the fact that that break time, okay, is a dopamine, okay, releasing, okay, moment, and this helps, okay, in memory, in long-term memory consolidation. I hope that this video has really helped you. This is just the part two, okay, of the video. I've actually shot the part one. Then on a final note, I have written a book, and I'm going to really give, okay, my listeners this book. The book is about 200 pages, and it's titled, okay, Secrets to Acing to Passing Any Exam in the World. Okay, what I've done is I've studied Chinese students, I've studied first class students, I've studied people like Albert Einstein, okay, I've studied people like Ben Carson, okay, Wole Soyinka, and others. Okay, it is based, okay, on local and international data that I've gathered, that I wrote this book, or that I have, yeah, that I wrote this book, and I'm going to give the book, okay, to my listeners. Please, all you need to do to be able to get this book is just to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be releasing videos like this at once, every day. Then I drop a comment, and make sure that in the comment you include, okay, your email. Okay, what I will do is that I'll read your comment, and I will send the book to you. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.